So, if you follow me on Instagram, which probably should do, you'll have seen that I've been at Bathurst last weekend? Not too long ago. Now, if you don't know what Bathurst is, it's where they have the Mount Panorama circuit. Been in a lot of video games. Yeah, me and Emily are working at it. We've got another friend with us as well who's working at it. So I'm sure, like other Bathurst videos I've done, there will probably be a full video of all the drive-bys, and then there'll be like a cinematic video chucked up on the filming channel. I don't know, I'll leave the filming channel in a link down below, and if it ends up on there, then it ends up on there. If not, then I probably didn't have enough footage to do that. But we'll see what happens, and there's other car meets and stuff on there that you guys can check out as well if you're interested. I forgot my food bag. Where is it? There it is. I've dropped the yogurt. Damn it. Alright, well I'm gonna clean up this mess and hit the road. Well, hello there, Mr. Sylvia, and WRX, and Porsche. So nice. One of the many perks of me working this job. Alright, so I've just clocked off my shift, and there's quite a lot of supercars around. There's a bit of wind, I don't know what the camera's picking up. I'm seeing a Lamborghini Huracan, or whatever, something like that, an Alfa 8C. There's a Ford GT40. Oh man, so many McLarens. There's also a Pagani Zonda. No. What's the one? Pagani Huayra. That's the one. We got one of those here as well. And this is the Kayad. There's a TVR something. There's going to be some more cars rolling in pretty soon. Oh, there's another. What's that new? The McLaren Senna. That's the one from Forza. There's one of those here as well. So I'm going to do my best to show off those cars as much as I can. Anyway, we're going to get some filming of the racing and of the cars. I will see you guys in a bit. So it's now come to the end of the day of the Bathurst 12-hour, where all of the supercars that are on for there's a big ant's nest. All the supercars that are on display will be leaving, and I'm hoping they're not pansies, and that it's not too boring. We'll have to see how we go. Yeah, nah. There's been more interesting leaves from car meets at, in Eastern Creek. So I think I'll just stick to filming those ones. Focus on the screen. Nope. Well, 3:52 AM. Neighbours are gonna love us. Starting the Subaru. There's our sunrise there for the morning. I think Em's getting a snapping one in there. And the race is about to start, so I'm going to run and try and grab the start of it. I think it's a rolling start, so we'll see how we go.
Pretty steady start so far.
No! Friends! Alrighty, so I managed to win some helicopter joyride things, so we're gonna go for a fly around Bathurst and hopefully get some mad shots in.
You go follow that man in the orange shirt.
Yeah. Mustang going around. That thing is by far the loudest thing here. That was I was not in a good spot for filming or photos. We'll see if we get the Mustang coming around again. Yeah, no, that was not a good spot for photos. I wanted to try and get that inside seat, but it didn't happen. We're gonna try and get this Mustang.
Realistic height for a car too. Yeah, there's no doubt about that, but laps dropped. And watching here on 7-bit, there's no way fights here behind the safety car.
Man, those Bentleys have been dominating. Oh my God! Bloody hell!
Laps back, certainly not.
That thing is ridiculous.
Always close, but it seems even close.
He was loving it. He was loving it. Oh, boo! We can't do the full track. Oh, that's annoying. We attempted. We attempted.